In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto update for app on Google Play Store. If there's a single app you want to keep exactly as it is, maybe a tool that works perfectly on your device, or an app where a recent update changed features you rely on, this method lets you pause automatic updates for that one app while everything else keeps updating normally. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the same place you browse and install apps. Use the search bar at the top to find the app you want to control, then tap the app from the results to open its dedicated store page. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the app's name, icon, rating, screenshots, and the usual open or install button. Now look to the top right corner and tap the three dots. That opens a small menu with options specific to this app in the Play Store. In that menu, you'll see an item labeled Enable Auto Update. If it's checked or switched on, the Play Store will install new versions for this app in the background. Simply uncheck it or turn the switch off. That's all you need to do. From now on, this particular app will no longer update automatically. This change applies only to the app you adjusted. All other apps will continue following your general Play Store settings, so you still receive important updates and security patches elsewhere. You can return to this same menu anytime and re-enable auto updates for the app when you're ready, giving you full control over timing. A quick heads up on what to expect. After you disable it, updates for that app won't install on their own. Instead, new versions will wait until you decide to update. This is helpful if you want to read release notes first, avoid unexpected data usage on mobile networks, or stick with a version that works best on your device. Interface details can vary slightly depending on your device or Play Store version, so the menu icon or wording might look a little different, but the option lives in that three-dot menu on the app's page. One important note, some apps, especially system utilities or sensitive services like financial apps, may not allow disabling updates. If you don't see the Enable Auto Update option, the developer or Google may have made updates mandatory for security and reliability. And that's the process. Open the Play Store, search for the app, open its page, tap the three dots, and turn off Enable Auto Update. It's simple, targeted, and completely reversible whenever you need.